injuwe kumutwa. Okay, india mama. Kuchakira aiga. Yakoro posmo. Tu sabes que griega. Na inche kita ya nango ponto sombote. Inche tio ya mchana. Ndege bagi diga na inche. Wa kre familia ya umaristi pole sana. Anaenda bateri stingwere. Ga pale ga tia ya. Na ndi kubole family. Oya na soma nanya sai. Ini jase oya cheri stingu ya kote ya. Sai nanya akoba matunda ma ne shemia. Igual en medio, todo el resto va a ser, a mí ya está en la gana, y ya vamos. Bueno, la señora se me llenará con el casana, pero ahora me introduce, ya vamos a hacer también.
Bueno, marchamos, la iniziazione aveva con la professor, Alicia, io trascerò la permettiva sorta, se un Steve, I remember. As a family, we are here before, for Consolidate family. We've been together in this journey. Rather than in a Sana, Bakara, Consolidate family, Navana Varukina, the Sana Rakovata, again, Ravata Photo the Sakuya Steve. In Arana Makana, Biaman against our Biaman.
Yaani kuambia mamake Steve Torres kwa kumtotoka Steve ili pale sana kwa kumtotoka mtoto na walimu wanaohitaji mtoto karibu sana kwa kumtotoka mwenzetu kama sisi walimu tumependa kutoka kubwa Steve anatuacha wakati tulikuwa tunamhitaji zaidi lakini akatuambia Mungu amlaze mahali pema peponi. Asante.
Salut pour avoir reçu le Seigneur, Seigneur Jésus, nous avons wasila Seigneur ya Steve. Mwana kurequest ya chairman Rabbi Nali ochoje mutwa take wheelchair. Juwangu. Awa mawaka ni wako soma na Steve ya university. Awa masters in physics and different departments. This one can greet us on their behalf. Karibu. Aba chakula ya Steve. Kwa ngambi ya mwana kwa sana. Usabeda ikea moyo na ndere Steve. Steve na mnamoto 2006. From the university together at Kenyatta University doing math physics. Kama nakucha nje na kwenda Nyakoiba, secondary graduate in Nyakoiba. And finally tukaenda na Kenyatta University. He was my friend. Na Betahat, as a family, William, na Bandagonsi, Pakia Marambani. Your family are rescued, brothers and sisters, receive my condolences. We are together in prayer. You will never separate, together in the sun. Aside, we did something, and we have to forward it to the chairman, and I did the principal of the secondary school. I think we forward to the family. Thank you so much.
Bienvenido sana asukuru mwenye kwa nanaban. Now, the women are in the Chico. Bandavara Valu Chico Secondary School. Barangana Steve Weteno Malumo Lebiera, Karaga Somalia Chico Secondary School. Some of them are teachers just like Mwalimu. But then they're going to go like Ceviche, like Sandu.
Kristo tutelele naende wake to wanjo kuya
man's free will. The reading. Say not, it was God's doing that I fell away. For what he hates, he does not do. Say not, it was he who set me astray. For he has no need of wicked man. Abominable wickedness the Lord hates. He does not let it befall those who fear him. When God in the beginning created man, he made him subject to his own free choice. If you choose, you can keep the commandments. It is loyalty to do his will. There are steps before you, fire and water. Whichever you choose, stretch forth your hand. Before man, and life and death. Whichever he chooses shall be given him. Immense is the wisdom of the Lord. He is mighty in power and all-seeing. The eyes of God see all he has made. He understands man's every deed. The word of the Lord. Orate kitabu kegitangani Abatesaloniki ine 13 weka 15 osoma kolende bamito tolike tinga timomanya amangana igoro yabo baralire mobaite oitaniwa una abande abatagi nawatemere naki onye twegeze na Yesu na kwete naende akaboka na boigo nabo baralire ati Yesu Nyasaye nabareze amere naki aya twabategerie aserigana yomonene nga itwe abaratwatigaire goika ekero kyogocha omonene itogotanganira abo baikire korara ekiagera omonene omonyene naike korwa igoro neryogi ase adio remania ine
Kumanzendo Nengo no santo ragalagi again aseno ase ise oye maaseri oye jokobo lakini nende eka tomo jaende intwe yemole kira on sojit bana wosbet how many are you tied up? Christ is telling you let him feel free. Why you holding on to him? Weka otumosoraga naende ingole kusuba ine into saying to it kusuba ine into saying to it ona ko osbet on the way see oresi kerekega musanta ba mutagende. There are so many ways we tie. Even the many because with I know there are many teachers here. I also pray as we watch, we are also being tied up by many things. Our young men are also tied up by Changi. Some are tied up by Inasora. Some are tied up. You are handling very complicated scenario. Be courageous and tie them and let them go. I know the school you are in, and your class go through a process, a long process. I know so many things that may have happened, but now we say, let those boys and the girls be free be free from the ignorance to move ahead. Because any place, over the world, any place, near to really, near to every story. You're nothing, you are not bound by your wife or husband. If you are not free, then you can be sure. What? Don't forget to us. Wafungue, kisha takatifu kumwombea wenzangu huyu Steli kusubira.
Alafu maneno mboliko mabeba. Esta daka hii tegere ntekenen watatiwa mwana wasa bandi kama jikina na kuruhusiwa. Mau program beranggo memang menjadi tabungan terbatas tuannya.
Yago Queno Biao, Asazuku Mobio Wow, and thought not so very name Yokoba, Nainta Matconsi, Arabosicarezo Cresto, Monguru Oito. Icarezo Cresto, Monguru Oito. Amin.
Thank you very much. Are you almost through? Let somebody say thank you. We have seen this is good.
Hello, this is Kenya Junior Academy. These are the pupils who have come, also their friends, the teachers, and have come and feel because of this and the family. And we are together. The children are in our school. And we have offered them free fees for first time. They will not pay until next time when they are at least seen where to go. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We have some time. Gakin to para si biya to para ini kiara la mare ga. Na hindi ba matiyanda sa kawin kan. Aka mo ko ata kare. Begin the car from Takuda. But I'll be there to present you as your principal. Yeah, this is St. Peter Martin. Another one. Area, please, area. It started well, make a circle, kind of a circle. Yeah, this is another group of St. David Nyamioka High School students who have come with a lot of bereavement to mourn the foreign school hero. May God bless you so much. Next, request the parents of St. David who is approaching the board, the large group. Several requests were made to come with a larger group, but it is technically impossible to bring the entire population of the parents to this group. So we are talking like 1,200 parents to meet the possible. This is the group. I'm very, very much impressed that you made this way. Thank you for your sacrifice that you wanted to really say bye to our fallen hero. He did good for our school. We have to come and understand. May God bless you so much. You can go back. Yakoba did something very wonderful that I want to talk because there is no purpose of talking. When I was employing Steve in 2012, the principal Samuel Yamboro, can you come forth? The people from Yakoba High School, can you come forth? Mr. Samuel Yamboro actually told me, if you want to employ wisely. He told me that I've been given the opportunity to employ a mathematics teacher. Alisema kama unataka mwalimu wa ukweli, can you employ one very important teacher here? I have him, I've been with him, and I know how precious this teacher is. Sasa siuko tuko na ile njia ya kufanya ile marekebisho ndio mtu achukuliwe vile tunataka. Then we made sure that Stephen Yapiera Mayenga qualified for that position. Can you please check out the pictures in school? And because of that, one person at least, come rain, come shine. I know the statue that we have that is quite confusing. But come rain, come shine, we want somebody to talk and be able to do. Thank you very much. Tunashukuru sana kwa hii nafasi, hatukutarajia kwamba tungepata. Nataka kuleta rambirambi zetu kwa niaba ya wazazi naambia na kwa niaba ya Lydian ambaye ni staff kwa shule yetu, naomba wakati huu mgumu wa kumpoteza mpenzi wake. Nashukuru sana. Thank you very much. You can go back. You are here. And in this particular scenario, I'm happy that at least this group has been recognized. It was supposed then there is community. They take one Nyabioto region, Nyakoba region and the like. Kuna wale wataongea vibaya kama nikienda nyumbani ati wamekuja hapa na wacha onekana. Hiyo itakuwa shida kwangu. Because you have taken too long, I know you will not blame me. I have the alumni of St. Peter's Nyabioto High School, the group of 2012 and 2013, up to date, those individuals that were educated in mathematics and physics by our author, Mr. Steve Nyabera Ayeva. Please come forward very fast. Having decided to drop physics, but Mr. Mayera talked when he decided to take physics, and at the end of the day, the doctor got a plane in physics. We cannot forget that. I hope and I believe maybe possibly Daktari Amanda Kasi, but I'm very, very positive that his contribution towards the funeral procession from Eldoret to this place where he resides. That's not working in Eldoret. So he made arrangements to ensure that this is done. Thank you very much, and I wish Daktari pays time to the principal, to the teacher who made him really what he is. Taking physics at a time he was so desperate and he never wanted to take the physics. Then he told him, take physics. He taught him the physics. Then he got A. That's very unique. I wish you could clap for the situation when you a teacher is not pressure. And actually the point is, a teacher does not die. And if a teacher dies, that teacher does not smell. And if that teacher smells, then the teacher smells good. That is all about the state house here. May God bless you. But let's Esther, give just one word of time.
The principal said, called Esther Okemo, a student of Mr. Stephen Mayega. He said earlier, I met Mr. Stephen in the year 2012 when I was in Form 3. Actually, I was on the path of dropping physics when he came, but he still purified it. I developed that interest to continue lessons. At the end of Form 4, I scored a grade A in physics, of course in other subjects, and that enabled me to pursue a course that I'm currently practicing and more teaching at the Colorado School. We have a lot to say, but we don't want to waste your time. Just wish the teacher to help you see until you meet again. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
There is a principal and I will discharge my duties. Please don't matter. You go and not go on my own class. You have to know sitting in the staff room. You got a staff room, you may run your home to know the mayor. You can't do your money for a political and chicken because your year was in ground. Who is this again here? In the coming around the principal, what are you principal? We know your job. Oh, and then I don't know my mayor. I want to say about the West Murray. So, who are going to get up to what you want to do? I am
Ada kuliran orang. Beliau yang kemudian masyarakat itu kerabat masyarakat. Paling ketemu ko irana nyasa tiga apa bari di ubah. Abang itu kena bocoran, bocil dia, kau bandang orang orang semua, ini dia lari, turun cari belakang mengurangnya, ayo belakang mengurangnya. Apa kau yang dulu?
Omong, ya? Bagus. Banyak kucing.
Cámara, que...